Atlanta real estate investors and wholesalers, what's going on, guys? My name is Joe Dillon. For those of you who don't know me, I've spent the last 5 years of my life building a real estate investment and wholesaling firm. And after many attempts to scale, we finally broke through to that 7-figure mark back in 2015 and never looked back. It's became a multi-million-dollar business. And now my passion is to help others achieve the same breakthroughs, to help other real estate investors and wholesalers break through from 1 to 2 deals a month, to 3 to 5 deals a month, to 10 deals a month, and even 20 deals a month like some of my clients are doing right now. So guys, what we're going to be covering Wednesday, October 16th, okay? Wednesday, October 16th, I'm going to be doing a full workshop. It's going to be a 3 to 4 hour, depending on, questions and things like that. It's going to be a 3 to 4 hour workshop on the entire structure, right, for building your 7-figure business. How to structure. We're going to talk about a lot of business principles, okay? We're going to talk about starting from your vision to your accountabilities to your people in your business, what seats to have, how much to pay them, what your process map should look like, all of your processes in general. We're going to be diving deep into processes. I have a bunch of awesome processes just like that one that's right in the back of my office, that acquisitions process map right there. We're going to be talking about meetings, how to hold meetings. We're going to be talking about your data and your KPIs, what KPIs to track, and how to structure the entire business and put it together so that you can finally have a systemized, automated, and eventually delegated business that is pumping deals without you. Okay, and this is the result that I help my clients achieve. So guys, I would love to do the same for you. I am excited to see you guys Wednesday, October 16th. It's going to be a 3 to 4 hour workshop. We're going to be talking about the entire structure, and we're also going to be going through the marketing, the acquisitions, and the dispositions briefly, and how to optimize all those operations as well. Guys, Joe Dillon here signing off. I can't wait to see you guys Wednesday, October 16th. I'll catch you there. You don't want to miss this because literally you will get an immediate ROI just from being there. And we'll talk soon, guys. See you soon.